Girls, very good morning. Let us see problem number 13, which is contradictory to the problems earlier to what you have done up to problem number 12. Let me tell you what is the speciality and how this problem is something which is different to previous 12 problems. In this problem, you were given capital reduction account and you were given the previous balance sheet, and he is asking you to project how the reconstruction balance sheet after these reconstruction amendments, financial restructuring was done. Let us see how it was given. 3,758% preference shares, 3,75,000. Equity shares, 2,500. Fully paid up, 2,50,000. Likewise, creditors, bank overdraft. Coming to assets, patent, leasehold premises, plant and machinery, sundry debtors, stock, share discount, preliminary expenses, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Now he has given you, the management has decided to adopt certain reconstruction amendments, and as for those amendments, he has given you capital reduction account. Coming to the credit side, let us see the first item, which is 8% preference shares, so 1,87,500. What does this mean, girls? Here it was given 3,758% preference shares of rupees 100 each, fully paid. The value is 3,75,000. When 100 rupees was the face value, the share capital is 3,75,000. You observe, girls, that this 8% preference shares is nothing but 1,87,500, which is exactly half to 3,75,000. So what does it mean? The value of each face value of each preference share was reduced from rupees 100 to rupees 50. Or else, if you have any doubt how to get the share value, means you just decide. Here 3,750 shares was given, so here share capital was given. So 1,87,500 divided by 3,750 will give you rupees 50. Means the first restructuring in the internal reconstruction is reduction of 8% preference share value of rupees 50 each to each share. That is what is the first 1,87,500 means. Next one is to equity share capital, also 1,87,500. Let us see here what is 2,500 equity shares of rupees 150 each, fully paid up, 2,50,000, which is here is 1,87,500. Now same formula, 1,87,500 divided by 2,500, you will be getting 75 rupees. So what is this 75 rupees, girls? Here this 75 is nothing but, in the second adjustment, you need to understand that the value of each equity share was reduced to rupees 75, or else you can even say that the value of rupees 25 they are decided to forego. That is what is equity share capital 1,87,500 means. Coming to asset side, total profit and loss account, preliminary expenses, share discount. I think total these three. Here you just see profit and loss account, preliminary expenses, and profit and share discount. All these three are totally written off as usual we have been doing in the problem. And he has reduced certain assets, and at the end he has been some amount which is left in the capital reduction account is transferred to capital reserve account. Now let us see, as per the problem he asked you to show the final, prepare the balance sheet after capital reduction. Now how your balance sheet will be after capital reduction means, here is the solution. You just see here, girls, as usual he has given 8% preference shares. So how the share capital will be, 50 rupees face value he has decided. So or else if you did not understand how to calculate, better you do 3,75,000 minus 1,87,500, which is here means credited to your capital reduction account here. So the next one is equity share capital. Equity share capital existing is 2,50,000. 2,50,000 he has reduced to 1,87,500. So he has credited 1,77,500. Means what does it mean? He is losing rupees 75 per share. So he is accepting rupees 25 per equity share. So you need to reduce the amount which is credited to capital reduction account. 2,50,000 minus 1,87,500, that gives you 62,500. Capital reserve account, which is nothing but here you have obtained the result, balancing figure 17,730, that appears in the liabilities side. As usual, creditors and bank overdraft, nothing will be touched. So coming to the asset side, first one, patents. You need to reduce the amounts which are debited to capital reduction account as far as the assets are concerned. The liabilities which are totally wiped off, like profit and loss account, share discount, preliminary expenses, will never appear in the next balance sheet. So, and one more thing, as far as the remaining assets are concerned, so let us see leasehold premises. 15,400 is to be reduced. What is the value of leasehold premises? 65,400 minus 15,400, which is debited to capital reduction account. So the remaining amount is 50,000. Likewise, patents. The value of patents given in the problem is 2,50,000. So, patents given in the problem is 4,25,000. Here it was given 4,25,000. 4,25,000 minus 2,50,000, which is debited to capital reduction account, 1,75,000. Same case for plant and machinery, sundry debtors and stock. And the last one is cash. Here cash balance is as it is in the balance sheet. So by tallying, you will be getting 2,92,730 as your balance sheet total. With this, problem number 13 is completed, girls. Thank you.